A function, what is it? No, not conjunction, junction. What's your function? We're not hooking up phrases and clauses and making them function. We're talking about math functions here. So what's a math function? All right. Well, first off, it's a set. To read the whole thing here. A function is a relation, which is basically a set of ordered pairs. So a function is a relation in which none of the first coordinates repeat. So that means all of the x's are different. That's what it means. If none of the first coordinates can repeat, that means none of the x's are different. So what's an example? Look at here. So here we have given the set of ordered pairs. So we'll state the domain and the range, then we'll determine whether or not it's a function. So first off, the domain is just all the first numbers. So it's 2, 3, 6, -1. And the range would be 4, 5. Now 5 occurs twice, so I'm not going to write it twice. I'm just going to go ahead and go straight to the 3. So because each x goes to one unique y and none of the x's repeat, it is a function. It is a function, right? So now let's look at this one. Let's determine, state the domain and range, determine whether or not the relation is a function. So first off, let's look at our first numbers. First one is, there's a 1, a -2. Oh, then 1 repeats. I'm not going to write it again. -4 and 2. So I already know this one's not a function because that 1 repeated. And the range would be a 9, the other is a 5, a 6, a -3, and 8. And it's not a function because, like we said earlier, the 1's repeated. The 1's repeated, so it was not a function.